So nandito tayo ngayon sa FirstOne Education Migration, which is located po sa Angeles City, at kasama natin si Ma'am Kyla and Ma'am Joyce. Ibabahagi nila sa atin, guys, kung ano ba yung business na to at paano ba makakatulong sa mga may pangarap pumunta sa Australia. Ano po ba ang FirstOne Education Migration?
FirstOne Education Migration is a consulting agency. Mag-provide kaya pong assistance for student visa and tourist visa applicants for Australia. We've been in the industry for more than a decade now and still counting. At ali kami mo po kayang Pilipinas Mamye service, but also we have our teams in Sydney, Australia that are providing services globally.
Ano po ba yung mga requirements?
Basic requirements like passport, but the number one thing that they need to do, kailangan magpa-consult muna sila, so we need to do the assessment.
Sa assessment naman po, tatlo yung magiging process natin. Pwede po silang mag-walk-in, pupunta po sila dito sa Angeles branch. Pangalawa, sir, pwede naman po silang tumawag. Pangatlo, pwede naman po silang mag-message sa aming Facebook page. Free consultation po siya, wala po silang babayaran pag po tumawag or nagpa-assess sila.
Basically, anyone na nagkaroon po ng interest, kung gusto lang po nilang malaman kung ano yung requirements and how does it work, free po silang magpapakonsult.
That's
Yes.
right. We never charge for the consultation, no? And also, there are times na nagpo-provide po kami ng mga seminars or orientation, which is also for free. They don't need to pay for anything. Yung mga applicants natin, at least 18 years old.
For student visas, ma'am, may age requirement po ba tayo?
Sa student naman po, at least high school graduate. Then sa age limit naman po, wala siyang age limit. Actually, sir, meron kaming client na 58 years old. Nag-grant po siya ng student visa.
58 years old?
Yes, sir. 58 years old po.
From Iloilo City. That was last month. Her intake date will be January.
Ano yung intake date?
Yun po yung pasukan nila. So, ang start ng classes.
Dito, meron din tayong assistance kung anong school yung pipiliin.
Sa schools naman po, ang ino-offer namin na schools is universities, colleges, and institute. Pero po sa agency namin, ang binibigay po namin, ang ino-offer po namin sa mga students is yung kung may mababang tuition fee. And yung mga schools na yun is nagbibigay po sila ng installment. Full tuition fee nila is pwede po nilang bayaran for 2 years. Yun po yung years na kukunin niya na course for 4 terms po. So yung total amount is i-divide into 4 terms.
Dami question for me. So while I'm studying in Australia, meron ba diyang parang scholar ba sila? Do they have to really pass? Or depende
Section
sa...
exams, depende sa school. Pero most of schools, kasi ito yung number one din na tinatanong sa amin, sir, no?
Correct.
Kung nagre-require ba ng IELTS. Most of the schools kasi, pinoprovide namin or hinahanap namin for them kung saan namin sila ina-enroll. They do not require IELTS. So, doon po namin sila pinapasok.
Okay, another question. Say for example, meron po akong interest sa isang subject or course. So does it require number of units or hours per day para, example ako, gusto ko naman magtrabaho?
Actually, sir, sa mga ganyan naman po, nagde-depend pa din po tayo dun sa course and sa schools. Pero po, yung pong sa mga, usually po yung mga ino-offer namin is 2 times a week lang po sila pumapasok. So, yung remaining days po nila is pwede po silang magtrabaho.
Wow! Interesting!
Right.
Sa mga nagka-interest po, nanonood sa atin, magkano naman po ba yung ating processing fee?
Sa Angeles branch po, ang processing fee po namin is 15,000. Yun po is, coverage niya po is yung first sa pag-assess, sa paghahanap ng school, sa pagla-lodge, and hanggang dun sa paglalabas na po ng result ng immigration. No hidden charges po, basta 15,000 lang po yung processing fee namin.
So, mostly ma'am, 15,000 and then 3 to 6 months ang usual na processing.
Yes, sir. Pwede naman po na mas mabilis po if yung client po natin is mabilis din po mag-provide ng mga requirements na kailangan natin.
Ma'am, why FirstOne?
Simple lang po, no? Kasi we are truthful to our clients. We value their hard work, their dedication sa kanilang pangarap na to start living sa Australia.
Yes.
Gusto nilang mag-aral, magtrabaho, and mamuhay doon.
Yes.
Yung mga sinasabi po namin, hindi enough yon to patunayan sa inyo But it's gonna be our previous clients na hinandle namin. Sila po ang magpapatotoo.
I think with all due respect sa mga, sabi mo nga, may mga kanya-kanya tayong pangarap eh. May mga kababayan tayo, mga kabalen tayo na they are happy enough to live in the Philippines regardless kung ano yung situation natin ngayon. Politically or, di ba? Yes, economically. But some other people, I have friends, I have families who are living there and I really respect them. I mean, yung decision nila. And sa mga nanonood nga po, you have that kind of ambition or yung mga pangarap na makapunta doon. FirstOne is actually here to help us.
Definitely. Huwag po kayong mahihiya, no, na magpa-consult and also mag-ask ng mga questions dahil we are more than willing to help. Ipoprovide po namin lahat ng information na kailangan ninyo. And then it's up to you if you would like to pursue your application with us or if you want to decide about it.
I think this time, it's about time for us to show yung ano natin.
Ating head office.
Correct.
So we have our head office in Sydney, Australia. Bibigyan po namin kayo ng virtual walkthrough.
Hello, magandang araw po. Ako po si Jerry from FirstOne Education and Migration. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Sydney. Sa likuran ko po ang Town Hall ng City of Sydney. Sa mga may mga katanungan or inquiries, pwede po kayong dumiretso sa opisina namin dyan sa Angeles City. Ngayon po, ang nasa likuran ko naman ay ang Queen Victoria Building. Isa po sa famous na lugar na siyang pinapasyalan din po rito ng mga turista.
What are you doing here?
I'm here with Kevin, our director from FirstOne Education and Migration. Hello everyone. May say something. We go to office? Yeah, later, yes. Okay, good. No, I came to see you guys. Mula po dito sa labas, sa proper ng Sydney City, dito po ang papunta naman sa opisina namin. Ito po ang head office namin. Okay. Ito po ang Town Hall train station. Diretso lang po, exit lang ng exit 5. Dito na po yung aming office. At yan naman po si Reyna. Catherine Bernardo daw. Okay. At siya po ang in charge naman sa onshore din, kasama po ni Gretchen. At at the same time sa amin pong marketing and advertising.
We have several offices here in the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Those,
Please mention them.
Meron po tayo sa BGC, meron din po tayo sa Quezon City, Baguio City, Iloilo, and syempre po, ito po, ang Angeles City.
Yes. So for our Angeles City office, what is our exact location, ma'am?
We are located here at Miranda Street, Unit 6, 1248 Professional Building.
From Monday to Friday po, open po kami. Nag-start po kami ng 9 a.m. up to 5 p.m. po yung office hours namin. Sa mga interesado po na mag-apply sa Australia, inuulit po namin, meron po tayong tatlong option para makapag-apply po tayo, makapag-free counseling po tayo. Una po is, meron po tayo through phone, pwede po kayong tumawag. Pangalawa, pwede po kayong mag-message sa aming FB page. Pangatlo po is pwede naman po kayong pumunta dito sa mismong office. Naulit ko po ang FirstOne Education Migration. Nag-offer po siya ng free migration and education counseling.
Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, no, na i-like and follow ang aming mga pages. May 2 pages po kami. FirstOne Education Migration Angeles and Education and Migration in Australia, FirstOne. So, 2 po yun. At magkakaroon po kami ng free seminar on January 21, 2020.
Confirm na yan, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Confirm na po yung date. Stay tuned lang po, no, for our venue at saka yung exact time.
For those who are interested to enlist, ma'am, paano po yung gagawin nila?
Kailangan lang po nilang mag-message, no? We will be opening the reservation soon. So, stay tuned po kayo.
Alright.
Magkita-kita po tayo.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Kayla, Ma'am Joyce, for inviting us. And again, guys, if you're interested to live or even travel Australia, so FirstOne po is here to help us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure na itag mo yung friend mo gustong pumunta sa Australia. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.